What's up, folks? This is Buzzard420. Welcome back to my channel. Oh man, I'm so excited. Today I got my Oculus Quest 2 in the mail. It's my first VR headset like ever. And I figured out I might as well share my unboxing experience with you guys. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay guys, let's unbox the Oculus Quest 2. Let's see. So, first of all, let's see. Inside the box, I'm expecting a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses, spacer, and the charging cable. And I bought in addition the VR link cable, which will be used to connect straight to the PC and play Steam VR and other PC VR games, and not just only the standalone Oculus games. So let's unbox it. So actually no need for a knife, which is nice. The initial wrapping comes right off. On the back we have some examples of some titles, some games like Jurassic Park and Star Wars. Tales from the Galaxy's Edge, The Climb 2. I guess these are Oculus games or games that come right in the Oculus OS. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. So no need for the knife, which is nice. Boxing is also nice. And this is what we got. That's the 64 gigabyte version, by the way, because I plan to mainly use it while connecting to the PC. So we have the actual headset. I'm not gonna put it out on me right now, but that's the headset with the glasses spacer as well. Yes, which is nice. I don't wear glasses, but many people do. 2 controllers, the VR controllers. A nice box. I like the logo, simple and nice. Manual. And the charging cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, and the charger, of course. And I ordered it from Amazon Italy, so I got the EU charger, which is good for me. So, Type-C to Type-C cable, charging cable, charger. And that's basically. So yeah, that was it, guys. Straightforward unboxing of the Oculus Quest 2. I'll be sure to make a lot of new content using it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe buttons, and see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.